Monday gets better. Tuesday gets better. By Wednesday, things start improving, and you keep that momentum going over time, not just for a month or two, but over 3, 4, 5, even 10 years. Eventually, you can reach your goals. Consistency doesn't guarantee success, but a lack of consistency guarantees failure. A simple productivity tip: instead of waiting to feel ready to work, just dive in. Face the task head on. People often think they need perfect conditions to begin, but in reality, starting creates the perfect conditions. One day at the gym won't show any results. After 2 days, there's still no visible change, but 100 days in, you'll see a whole new you. The same goes for learning an instrument. One day of guitar practice, and you can barely strum a chord, but 100 days later, you can play almost any song. So take small steps every day. Do what's necessary, and don't expect massive results in a short time. Meaningful progress takes 100 days, 500 days, maybe even 5,000. It requires patience. If you go to the gym, work out, then check yourself in the mirror, you might see no difference. You can do the same thing the next day and still see nothing. It's easy to think, this isn't working, and give up. But if you believe in the process and stay committed, even if you mess up sometimes, skip a workout, indulge in a treat, you'll still make progress over time. It's not about doing everything perfectly or with intense effort all at once. Going to the gym for 9 hours won't change you, but 20 minutes a day will. The key isn't the intensity of your efforts, but the consistency. Commitment helps you start, but consistency is what finishes the job. As Jim Rohn once said, we must all endure one of two pains, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret and disappointment. The choice is yours, and it will shape your future. Many unknowingly choose regret and disappointment because they fail to remain consistent and give up on their goals, always seeking the easy way out. As Denzel Washington pointed out, goals on the path to success cannot be realized without discipline and consistency. Ambition sets you on the road to success, but consistency is the vehicle that takes you there. Between setting goals and achieving them lies consistency. It is a vital element of success in every aspect of life. Without consistency, there is no sustained success, and without it, goals will remain out of reach. Dreams will stay unrealized, and greatness will remain unattainable. Napoleon Hill once said, "Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success." Success isn't about taking one giant leap. It's about the small, consistent actions repeated over time that eventually lead to what looks like overnight success. You must be relentless in your pursuit of success. Keep going, no matter what obstacles you face. Stay consistent with your dreams, your goals, and your efforts. Many people say, "I tried my best, but it didn't work." In reality, most start strong. They hit the gym on day 1. They pick up a book and read the first few pages, but they soon give up when results don't appear instantly. Nearly everyone begins working toward their dreams, but only a few persist with consistency. Most knock on the door of opportunity once, then walk away when no one answers immediately. But those who continue knocking, tirelessly and persistently, are the ones who eventually see the door open.